Small and medium-sized enterprises are the world's largest employer. They engage 50% of the global workforce. SMEs account for 90% of all companies and represent the backbone of the global economy. By nature, each SME is diverse and unique. Small business owners are passionate about serving their communities, and keeping their businesses running can be challenging. Focusing on their everyday activities, little time is spared to consider risks. Their impact is often underestimated, resulting in underinsurance. When these risks are not properly mitigated and insured, they can result in severe financial burden. In the worst case, businesses may be forced to close. What can the insurance industry do to address this challenge? By combining knowledge from selected partners with Swiss Re's risk expertise, we can help to make SMEs more resilient. With just a few clicks, insurers and SMEs can dynamically assess risks, understand prevention measures, and receive individual advice on products. Once a company is identified, its risk profile can be determined, and the probability of risks is displayed. Potential threats are explained through simple scenarios that are specific to the trade and location. These scenarios describe the impact that can be caused by damage and provide advice on prevention measures. Insurance products that match the business's risk profile are then presented, and the insurance contract can be finalized. Discover more at swissre.com/SME.